If you love owning an ultra-rare HDB estate in Commonwealth, please continue watching. Today, we'll be exploring a 4-room HDB flat that has a very rare planter and balcony area and is the youngest estate among all the other neighbouring blocks here in Commonwealth. It is also not bounded by the Prime Location Housing Scheme, PLH, and you can sell every 5 years upon MOP. It is also only 3 minutes walk to Commonwealth MRT station and the 24-hour Sheng Siong supermarket. Once again, I'm Eunice, and let me share with you a sneak peek of why is this a limited edition unit. Since 2018, there were no similar units sold until today, and you may be the lucky purchaser. Let's go.
This Commonwealth Drive estate consists of Block 50, 51, 52 and 53, where it is only the current estate that is the youngest and nearest to the Commonwealth MRT. There is a multi-storey car park here, ensuring there are shelter walkways to any of the blocks here. In addition, there is a children's playground and a fitness corner on top of the multi-storey car park at Block 50. Located along Commonwealth Drive, this unit is only 3 minutes walk away from Commonwealth MRT. You can find a 24-hour Sheng Siong supermarket here at Block 88 Hang Ling Hock Road, which is sheltered all the way. And you can also find a Kofu food court, Long John Silver's and a hardware shop here. Hang Ling Hock Market and Food Centre is also 3 minutes away, where you can find laundry shops, hair salon, mini-marts and bakeries here. Commonwealth Station also have bus services of these numbers, which are able to transport you towards Clarke Quay, Bus 61, Bukit Timah, Bus 970, Aljunied or Kallang, Bus 100, Raffles Place, Bus 196, Tanjong Pagar, Bus 145 and many more areas. In addition, it is only a 8 minutes walk to Queenstown Community Club, Polyclinic, Sports Centre and 11 minutes walk to Queenstown Public Library and the newly opened Margaret Drive Hawker Centre. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 1 primary school within 1 km, which is Newtown Primary School, and within 2 km, there are 2 primary schools, Fairfield Methodist School and Queenstown Primary School. This unit is sized at 1,022 square feet, 95 square meters. This unit comes with a spacious living and dining area, 2 common bedrooms, 1 common bath, a master ensuite and an enclosed kitchen with a yard.
As you step into this lovely home, you'll be greeted by the very bright and ventilated and very spacious living and dining area over here. This is 95 square meters, 1,022 square feet, and this is a very limited 4-room flat home because it comes with a very special planter and balcony area where the owners that's very smart enough to deck up this planter that can bring much space into your home.
As you step into this home, you'll be greeted by a bright and spacious living and dining area, homely environment, minimal road noise and unblocked views, offering a sense of openness rarely found in HDB flats. This open layout allows for seamless furniture arrangements, making it perfect for hosting guests or enjoying cozy family moments. This is not just any 4-room flat, it's a rare and limited edition home. Only 8 units in this block, only on level 7, 8, 9 and 10. The advantage is the doors at the planters are of full height and it floods the room with natural light. You can enjoy serene greenery, creating a calm and peaceful environment.
Entering the kitchen, the customized carpentry allows ample storage in the kitchen while maintaining a spacious walkway in this perfect kitchen, allowing easy movement to prepare and cook your daily meals all day.
This beautifully renovated kitchen is both homely and practical, featuring a movable dishwasher, sleek cooker hook and hob, and an efficient cabinet spaces. Designed for easy maintenance, it offers a clean and efficient cooking space. One of the major highlights of this home is the spacious, well-ventilated yard, seamlessly connected to the kitchen. With strong cross-ventilation and ideal sun exposure, clothes dry quickly and naturally, making laundry effortless. Moving on to the 2 common rooms, both common bedrooms are bare and unfurnished, offering a blank canvas for you to unleash your creativity. Whether you envision a cozy bedroom, a stylish home office, a kids' playroom, or even a functional guest space, the possibilities are endless.
Introducing the master bedroom. It's designed for comfort and flexibility. The only built-in fixtures are this wardrobe, cabinet area and the dresser. There's also a bed frame here, but it's very easy to remove, allowing you to reconfigure the space into your own personal style. The perfect thing about this bedroom is that it's overlooking the same unblocked view as the living and dining area, giving you brightness, ventilation, and airiness all day long.
Whether you prefer a minimalist retreat, a luxurious suite, or a more functional workspace within, this versatile master bedroom gives you the freedom to create your ideal sanctuary. Both the common bathroom and master ensuite are well maintained and come with a thoughtfully added vanity area for extra convenience. Furthermore, Queenstown residents are set to get a new park that will be located to an upcoming housing development in Mei Chin Road. The planned park incorporates space currently occupied by the Alexandra Queenstown Park Connector, as well as a stretch of mature trees next to the HDB blocks in Queen's Close. Queenstown will also undergo enhancements and upgrades that will include more senior-friendly amenities to promote active aging. In addition, the 24 kilometers rail corridor from Kranji to Tanjong Pagar aims to create a green spine, connecting neighbourhoods right down the middle of Singapore. The Queensway community space is set to be completed in 2027.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you love this undervalued limited edition HDB asset unit here. Please remember to put in your shop list and I want to see you today. Please remember to also click like, share and subscribe, and you can find us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. And in Property 65, we uplift your home value, we sell higher!